Here we will focus on two important Python tuple methods. And the first one is index method and the second one is count method. So we will give different examples for these methods used with Python tuples. So here let's start with an example, and I will create a cars tuple here firstly, and it will include BMW, Audi and Mercedes. And here with index operator I will reach some members of this string tuple, and here I will use square brackets, and inside I will use the index number. The index numbers are starting with 0, 1, 2 and like this. So with index number 1 we will reach the second member of this tuple string. As you can see here, the output is Audi. So let's try to reach another one, and we can reach the last number, and here we'll use -1. So negative numbers are starting from at the end of the tuple, like lists. This is index -1, -2 and -3. So this will give us Mercedes, as you can see. And now let's reach some range of the items in tuple with index operator, but for this I will use more items in the tuple string list, string tuple, and here I will use Alfa, Romeo, Aston Martin and Porche. And here I will use again cars, square brackets, but this time I will use two operators. So I will give the beginning index and the ending index, and between them I will use a colon operator. So here we are seeing that we will look index 0, index 1, index 2. So we will start here index 2, index 3, index 4 and index 5, and we will start from 2 to 5, but 5 is not included here. So this will give us Mercedes, Alfa Romeo and Aston Martin here. And we can also use another parameter here. So this parameter is jumping parameter or step. We can add here, for example, let's add 2, and this means that take this one but jump 2. So it will write this one and jump from here, and then it will write this one. So this is steps. So the output will be, as you can see, Mercedes and Aston Martin. So it will not take Alfa Romeo because there is a jumping parameter here, there is a step. And yes, this is index operator, index methods used in tuples. So let's use another method, and this method is count method. So for this, let's write a new tuple here. That's great. I will use 10, 5, 14, 25, 38, 10, 62, 47 and 10. And yes, as you can see, I repeat some numbers. I repeat these tens here, so we'll count the number of tens. So for this we'll use numbers that count 10. We'll give the number that we are counting in this tuple. So we will add this value to an integer, to a variable, and then we'll print this variable. as you can see here, the output is 3 because there are 3 10s here. So let's do another examples with, for example, animals. In animals tuple, let's write cat, dog, eagle, lion, bear, and cat again, and eagle again, and cow. So here, let's count the number of cats. Here I will again assign a number, a variable here, and animals that count and cat, and print x. So as you can see, it is 2 because there are 2 cats here. And let's do this for eagle, and this time it is 2 again, and let's do it for lion, and it is 1 as you can see. And these 2 methods are important for Python tuples.